In this video, I will show you how you can custom numbers format into millions and thousands. A very pretty simple and easy straightforward method. Select the data range and then press Ctrl 1. You need to click on the customs. Put the pattern for converting into millions with M. You need to write pound dot pound, two time commas. The each comma divided your number by thousand, and then type double quote M stands for millions, double quote, and OK. Now you can see that the numbers are converted into millions. Or similarly, if you want to convert your number into thousands, select the data range, Control 1, go to the customs, and here you need to type pound dot pound and only one comma here. Double quote K stands for thousands, and double quote. Click OK. So here you can see that your numbers have been converted into thousands. So I hope you have learned how to convert custom numbers format into millions and thousands. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.